Our team of Google Workspace professionals will meet with your domain administrator virtually to go over Google Workspace storage within your domain by evaluating the organization's current storage policies and provide insight on storage best practices, console tools, and where there can be room for improvement. This consultation time allows you to get up-to-date input on best practices and ask questions specific to your domain and use of the tools for your institution. The kit also includes a 30-minute virtual meeting with a Google Workspace professional, an evaluation of your organization's current storage policies and overall storage used, and custom recommendations on how you can reduce your storage used, plus a review of your existing admin console tools for reporting and querying. You can learn more about our storage kit, as well as everything else Kincaid IT can do to support your school district on our website, www.kincaidit.com.